Alright, hello, this is VDDD Devlog 656. I said the other one was 4, it should be 5, so this one will officially be 6. Congratulations. Alright, so we're going to be taking a look at some things that I just fixed, just did, and without further ado, we're just going to get started. So we gotta wait for this to boot up, and we'll be good. We'll be good to go. Okay, so as you can see, it pretty much more or less looks kind of same, maybe a slightly different camera angle.
Oh.
So that's all the same. We got this cool animation. A part of one. Those are notes that work. I'm not sure. So, as you can kind of see, we got, I was able to make the transition from the first section to the second section. For some reason all the buttons aren't working. I can go back and take a look and see what the heck's going on there. But maybe I'll make the animation transition back a little bit slower. So the way that I'm doing this, is different from the way that I was doing it before. Before I was using the pooling system to generate hallway after hallway, one after the other. And I would have issues where I would run into problems where it would either run out of objects, or another problem that I've discovered where the animations on newly created objects would not play. So I can actually demonstrate that. Hopefully, I think I can. Let's go ahead and go over to the area 2, and I have, this is the alternate scene. Save before we go back. Let's hop over to the original, area 2. It's taking a long time to save it now, but that's okay. All right, so let's go to the original area 2, and as you can see, nothing's here. Now, I'm gonna hit play on this, and it actually might not work at all, considering, sorry, I'm trying to check something here, and I don't even see. All right, so we're gonna hit play. Well, first we're gonna go over here to, where is it? Yeah, we're gonna go right here. So what you should see happen is a bunch of things should appear. So let's go take a look. If it doesn't work, then yeah, it just doesn't work. But we'll see. All right, so as you can see, these things are continuously generating houses. They kind of look like houses to me. And it's like, okay, that looks cool. And for the most part, it looks kind of the same. But as you can see, also I'm realizing that the cords are working properly here, so I gotta figure out what's going on there. I think it has something to do with playing the animation every frame or something. But the point is, that the animations don't carry over to the newly created objects. So what I've done is, we'll go back over here. We need to save anything? No. When it loads, what I've done is taken blocks of the objects, as you can see here. There's some already posted up here. And now watch what happens when this plays. It's actually pretty straightforward of what happens. It's kind of just like not really a marching objects type of thing that's kind of going on. As you'll see. So watch. You'll see on the left here. You'll see that come up, and you see it moves up, and you see it just kind of stacks over and over. And you can actually kind of see all of the objects changing. But that's pretty much it. Those other objects are supposed to, those top things are supposed to change, and maybe I'll have some kind of flash or something so that they don't just kind of pop out of existence. But that's the next thing. I'm going to make the buildings properly animated. I'm going to add a particle effect for the melody, and I think that'll be it. So that's pretty much the devlog for the dynamic dream. So until then, I'll see you guys next time on stream. And yeah. All right. Peace out, guys. Dreamcore out.